how to remove a stuck drill bit from a DeWALT cordless drill. Now, the first thing I recommend is getting some WD-40 or release spray and spraying it down here. If it's been left in for a long time, it could be a little bit of rust sticking it to your chuck. So leave that for a few hours and then come back and give it a try to see if you can loosen it. Also, try tapping the drill bit gently onto a work surface in different directions. Then what you want to do is you want your forward and reverse button here. So you want the drill bit facing to the left like that. Then press it right away in, and now this is put the drill into reverse. Get some gloves, because if you don't grip this hard enough you can damage your hand. Put it into drill mode, grab the chuck. This is this section here. Don't grab this bit here, this is the collar. Just the chuck, this section here. Grab and hold tight, and then pump the drill trigger. And there you go. We're free. So that's how to release a stuck drill bit from your DeWALT cordless drill. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.